Alright, here we're back on the Scout. That's oil filter canister. The way that works is the filter goes in here and there's a spring up against it on the inside down in here, and then the filter has I get it, but it's pretty nasty. I put the new one in there tomorrow once it comes in from the parts house, but I'm going to clean it up. I started kind of cleaning it, but I thought I could do a better job with the old sandblaster, and I'll show you how that works. Here's a Campbell Housefield, just a regular little sander or a sandblaster, and what I have I've got a 5-gallon bucket with a bunch of sand in it. And so it's got air compressor hooked to this right here, and as it blows through here, let's see if I can see the monitor. As it blows through here, it picks up sand in this pipe here. And see if I can get it on camera. You can see a little bit of it coming out. So I also have, this is a little sandblaster hood that I got. This is Tractor Supply. And I also got me some ear protection, hearing protection. Got to have that. So let's get started.
Play St. Louis Blues. Play St. Louis Blues. Play St. Louis.
Now I just pulled the sand induction off of there and just use this as a regular blow gun, just kind of blow things off. Put a little primer sealer on it. And we're going to put some Chevrolet orange Duplicolor. lap your coats. This is my second coat. Looks like it's gonna come out okay.